In the heart of these mountains, every journey begins with a deeper purpose. Trekking Compass isn't just about exploring the trails, it's about honoring the spirit of these peaks, the stories they hold, and the paths they lead us on. When you trek with us, you're more than a traveler, you're part of a story that embraces the untouched beauty of the Himalayas. Our guides are not only experienced mountaineers, they're certified in search and rescue and trained to navigate the most challenging conditions. Every step is an assurance of safety and expertise. Every expedition is planned with care, blending adventure with security. Our commitment to your journey is matched only by our dedication to the mountains themselves. We tread lightly, respecting these trails and embracing responsibility. Each trekker is part of our mission to protect these pristine landscapes through our Clean the Himalayas initiative. But it's not only about reaching the peak. It's about the journey, about connecting with local culture, with each other, and with yourself along the way. With Trekking Compass, you're on a journey of discovery, where every step is part of something bigger. Walk light, explore deeply, and leave only footprints.